What if when you finish a water bottle, instead of just recycling it, I have an idea. What if we upcycle it into something really creative? Into this. Check it out. Looks like a real glass sculpture, doesn't it? Let me show you how I did that. So you're probably wondering, where in the world did we come up with this idea? And if you've ever watched the episode I have on Dale Chihuly, you'll know why. We came up with this faux glass sculpture because we created a kind of our version of his fireworks of glass. And I was so impressed because we made that out of over 3,000 2-liter bottles. And I couldn't believe how much it looked like real glass. So after that, we're talking over 5 years ago, I decided I wanted to make a nightstand. I want to create something that could be used and with 2-liter bottles, be upcycled into something really cool that looked like a faux glass sculpture. And I wanted endless possibilities. Like, you could remake this so many different ways. So like I said, this is actually a picture of it. You can see right here where we started off with some CAD drawings. And this is over 5 years ago, this picture. We made this pamphlet we were trying to come up with, like, for Artrageous Labs is what we're calling it, for Project 1, the faux glass sculpture, or as we kind of like to playfully call it, the FauxHuly around here. And then from there, we created some 3D molds. So these are actually two different versions that we came up with, just playing with different ideas of, like, how can we make this thing look cool and functional? This one became huge and bulky and really heavy. So that led us then to what we have currently in V1. And I actually have, so you can take a look at this as well. This is one of the first molds we have created, so you can kind of check out and see. I mean, I've learned a lot about the casting process. Here is what you need to check out. I'm so pumped. So the first thing you'll see when you open the box up is the stand itself, all right? And you'll see it's got 4 pads, and then it has the thread count in here to fit any 2-liter bottle sized thread. So that doesn't have to be a 2-liter bottle. For example, I'm actually gonna make an example for you using this sweet Smart Water. I've never actually done one with this, like, really thin, long design, but it has the same size, which at the end of the day, will fit perfectly, okay? The whole idea here is I wanted this to be a way that you could upcycle something without just throwing it away. And we can make another one. Just get another bottle, we're good to go. The other thing inside the box you'll see are 2 paintbrushes to paint the inside of the bottle, which I'll explain later, and also the paints, which you don't need much paint, and you will find out why. Check this bad boy out, right? You want to keep the paint really thin and transparent, meaning you can have light pass through. That is one of the secrets that makes this thing look like real glass. And last but not least, these super sweet LEDs that are incredibly bright, and that's what we'll actually put inside the light to make it glow. And there's a couple in the box for you. So that's everything that would come in here. And like I said, I'm at the lowest price I can actually make these, which is 20 bucks, which gets them in your hands, making, producing, coming up with all kinds of really cool ideas that I can see. And also, I need your feedback. I wanna know, what do you love about it? What can I change? If you'd like to learn more about the Artrageous Labs' first awesome project, 5 years in the making, head to my website, artrageouswithnate.com, where you can pre-order one of these. We have limited supplies as we're making and packaging, of course, all of these by hand. But I wanna get a lot of them out there, and I cannot wait to see what you do with this project. Everybody, I will see you soon, and be Artrageous.